Hey guys, and welcome to the channel. It is Valentine's Day. That's that magical time of the year when you get to do something that you love. You know, you get to be with the people that you love. And today, this year, well, instead of spending it with my wife, I got a new car.
What?
So guys, welcome to the channel. My new to me car, my 2026 CT5-V Blackwing that I got with already having the break-in miles done. So one of the things that I think that the car really needs, being a Blackwing, is a pretty good wing. And well, I have a Blackwing on my black car because it's a black car. This wing isn't the, it's not the carbon fiber one. It's small. The carbon fiber one comes down and it makes this really great accent. This is very slick, it's sleek, it's classy, but we need a little bit more to it.
So to fix this, we hopped on CSPRacing.com in order to see what we actually carry for it. I found the Anderson Composites carbon fiber wing for it. I added it to cart, and then a couple days later, it was here at my shop. So to fix this wing problem, the little wing, we're gonna find that we have a big wing here from Anderson Composites. I mean, this isn't the biggest wing. It's a medium-sized wing, one that's very comfortable, you know, familiar. Like, it just makes things that are just, you know, it's a safe spot. It's a safe spot. So now this big Anderson Composites, no matter where you order it from, whether you order it direct from Anderson Composite or you order it from us, which I recommend you order it from us, it helps us. So that's your call to action. This is a carbon fiber piece, and they have a very specific inspection policy. You have to have this thing basically inspected the moment it drops off. Like if it comes freight, which I believe this one has come freight, that means that you have to inspect it for any kind of shipping damage because they inspect these before they go out the door. If there is damage, you have to report it to both us and Anderson Composites within 24 hours. So I'm checking mine out about 3 months later.
Is that a CSP knife?
Here's a CSP knife.
Hold on.
My buddy made it for me.
That is super.
So if you have a Blackwing and you don't have the carbon fiber package, this might be the upgrade for you because, oh, this looks like a nice piece.
Yes, it does.
I'm not normally one to like do aesthetic mods to a car. I'm normally one that like has the most boring stuff ever. But even for me, the Blackwing with a little wing is just not right. Wow. Look at that. That's like crazy looking. Look at that. Look at that.
Wow.
This is gonna make a major difference.
Oh, yeah.
Wow, look at it. It's like it engulfs the other wing. Like it engulfs the other wing like in its entirety. Now I gotta figure out how to get that off. Does this just rip off?
I think it's just stuck on. But
We should probably like,
yeah.
we should probably find instructions.
Yep.
Because I've never done this before.
Well, just getting this whole thing out.
So under here, these are the holes that we're going to be working with. There's a stud, I don't know for what rate in here, but we're going to find out. It looks like the small wing, the little wing, is just epoxied on, but the studs are going to be important for us.
There's enough to like wrap around your hand and easily control.
Oh, I
see what's going on. Okay. So there is no bolt.
No, there's no bolt, but there is.
It's just a.
Okay, so. Okay. Now we'll get to the next stud.
Yeah.
Probably about right there. Okay, so that's the Blackwing. The bolt pattern is a little bit different. The factory uses this hole and these two holes, but the Anderson is using these two holes and these two holes, which means we have to cover these two and the center one.
Right.
And they only give 4 of these guys, which is for the 4 studs. We're gonna put these guys on here and hope to God that we're lining it up right. And because I don't really trust them, I'm also gonna use the silicone pieces, or silicone gasket maker on top of it, because I have a feeling that this is not good enough.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so I'm gonna do a little test. I'm gonna try not to totally destroy my paint. Oh, look at that! Oh my gosh! Look how good that's gonna look! Holy shit! Oh my gosh, that's awesome! That is awesome. But you know what?
I saw that. I did see that.
We gave up and now we have to go back to it. Darn it! We better go back to it before we put the wing on. That way we have the room. Darn it!
Round 2.
Okay, so we actually got all this stuff off with just our fingers. We just rubbed it. You know, very intense because me and Barry were coming from opposite ends, and we Lady in the Tramp. I don't want to talk about it. Anyway, so now I'm going to put this super clear silicone on everywhere too, because I don't want water getting into the trunk lid. So I'm going to circle this guy. I got to cut this off, don't I?
Yeah, they're seeing it today.
So I'm just going to circle this guy just a little bit. Like, you don't I don't think that we have to go anything crazy. This guy I'm going to lay down a little thicker though. All right, now with that all ready to rock. Okay, and let's get some bolts in there to zip her down.
Before it dries.
Before it dries. So the Blackwing now looks like a Blackwing. It's got a black wing. Well, actually it's a carbon fiber wing, but when you're outside here, it looks black. The profile is just so much better with that big wing, the bigger wing, not the little winglet. It's so nice. And then you get up to it and then wow, you really get to see the carbon fiber weave in it. And just really, really, really nice. Sets the car in a totally different direction. That's the biggest piece. There are other pieces that make sense that we might be doing. There's a front splitter that I think helps make the car look a little bit more aggressive. And then there's some side skirts, but the side skirts I think the side skirts are okay. I think one of the biggest things that GM missed on is the hood. The V3s, they have a scoop. And there's no scoop or ventilation. There's no vent. There's normally a hood vent on the V3s, and that boat was missed on the Blackwings. But this makes it way more aggressive. Just check it out. Just that wing, just the little pop, just looks great. With that wing, it looks so much better. It's awesome. So awesome. Now you guys know I'm probably gonna go way too far on this thing, so before I do, let's get some baseline numbers. That way, for all the future testing, we actually know where we started.
Not bad. The baseline comes in at 589 for the cold pull, ironically, and then went up to 595 and then dropped to 594. Went from 620 foot-pounds to 1,200 some, which is obviously not correct. That happens when the RPM reader glitches out. Now, it has been said that the 26 CT5-V is not tunable, but I'm going to give you guys a little hint because something's coming.
And not only are we going to cross that bridge, we're going to keep on going with this bad boy. CSP Big Boy Camshaft, Anderson 26-V, JLT intake, and we have a really, really cool exhaust test coming up. Really cool exhaust test that it might be a new product offering. So let me finish up this video by just wishing everybody a happy V-Day. And for those of you who are celebrating the totally different holiday on the same day, Valentine's Day, happy Valentine's Day to you guys too. Adios.